Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to remove worms from any kind of cereals, moong dal, rice or anything, any kind of insect. First, put that cereal into the pan and try to heat it for a while. Make sure all the insects die and then try to keep aside and let it cool for a while. After being it cool, after replacement, store it in some container for later use also. Whenever you need, just take some amount of the cereals you need, and I will just show you how that insects can be removed easily. So now you just add some water and try to stir it. Then you can see all the worms are floating. You can either strain it or remove it. Just for display I am removing it through spoon. If you liked it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you friends.